friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So today's video is going to be how to style your coffee table using black and white, as well as how I have used black and white to decorate for fall in my home previously. So if you're looking for some black and white home decor decorating inspiration, make sure you watch to the end and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now let's get started. And we're going to start off with this really simple bouquet. I am using these flowers that I picked up from Amazon. I love the fall color, as you can see, the green with a little bit of burnt orange. And our flowers are not really black, they're more of a grayish black, kind of on camera it looks like it's kind of purpley as well, but I love how they look. And I am using a simple vase that I picked up on clearance from Joann's. I actually love the aesthetic of the vase. It reminds me of the ones that they were selling at Crate and Barrel. And then we are using just a simple black candle that I picked up from Ross, and it was $5.99. So this is our first fall coffee table look. Again, very simple, but I absolutely love it. And let me show you our next styling. So for our next fall styling, I am just using these candles that I picked up from Amazon, and they have a smoky glass finish that I absolutely love. And I think they were a pack of 3 for about $22, I think. But I love the aesthetic that they are giving the room. Very fall, cozy vibes, and I absolutely love it. Again, very simple. We're going for simple black and white coffee table stylings, and I absolutely love the look here. So on to the next one. All right, so in our next look, we're using this tray that I picked up from the Salvation Army Restore a few years ago. I added these brass candle, or maybe they're bronze colored, but I added those to the tray. I picked those up from Hobby Lobby. They were 50% off, and I think they were like $2 after the coupon. And I am pairing with it our black pheasant. I picked these up, I believe, from Amazon, and I used them on my restoration hardware inspired dining table last year. And then we're using a black hydrangea and a white rose, and then just a white candle, but I think it is very modern. So it has a very clean, modern aesthetic for fall, which I absolutely love. So for this look, I have brought in these vases that I picked up from Home Goods. They were relatively inexpensive. It's like $16.99. And this one was also $16.99. You guys know I just love decorating with black and white. As I said, it is classic. It never goes out of style. And I think this would be a perfect look for fall. I did change up the pillow situation here on the love seat in the lounge. I brought in these really warm caramel tones for fall. I told you I am slowly adding little pops of color with the black and white. This pillow I picked up from Kirkland's many years ago. I love the black with the white pumpkin detail. Again, I think it's perfect for fall. You don't have to go over the top and have everything so kitschy for fall. You can add just a few simple classic touches to give your home that warm, cozy vibe for fall. So this is the next look, and I am absolutely loving how the coffee table looks with this vignette. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this look. So here's another way to use black and white. This one we are using the little vase that we picked up from Hobby Lobby and those florals that I showed you the other day that we picked up from Michael's. I absolutely love the gray color. Again, playing up those moody tones for fall. In my earlier videos, I told you guys I was going to be bringing in the gray, the warm browns, the caramel browns to use with my black and white, and I think this look is awesome. It creates a moody fall effect, again, going early morning, misty fall look. Absolutely love these florals. And then I've paired with it this simple little trinket box. It came from Home Goods. It was $7.99. Again, you guys know I love the checkered pattern, and I have been sprinkling it throughout my home this year, and I thought it paired well here in this next coffee table look. As you've noticed, I haven't changed any of the items here. I just like the way that looks. I like the warm, brassy tones of the candlesticks with the black. Again, classic and elegant in style. And I absolutely love this coffee table look. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Now we are going to switch gears and take a look back at how I decorated my home for fall using black and white in previous years. This look is from a Restoration Hardware inspired tablescape. I absolutely loved it. It was one of my favorites, along with some other ways that I have used black and white decorating throughout my home, either in the kitchen or in my lounge, decorating my fireplace mantle. So I hope you guys enjoy the inspiration. And if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of fall decorating content still coming your way that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, make sure you watch to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one.